Hey loves, here's April's Boxycharm reveal. This month's theme, eye candy. We have a beautiful set of items in Boxycharm's box this month, starting with Tardis Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. This highlighter comes in 3 shades and I actually got exposed. Next is the Ades High Definition Lipstick in the shade Kitten. Beautiful pink color. Oh, the item that we've been waiting for, Colourpop. Boxycharm collaborated with Colourpop to give us 6 options this month, and I got the Semi Precious palette with 8 beautiful colors. We have another product from Brow Gal, an eyebrow gel with microfibers in the shade brown. And lastly, Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner, a pore refining mask. Another great box from Boxycharm. Okay loves, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.